The 360 app is the central hub that brings everything inside of the platform together. Rather than having training in one place, live sessions somewhere else, and updates arriving through separate channels, the key parts of the experience are connected through this one app. From your phone, the Academy can be followed step by step. Live sessions can be joined with educators, scanners can be viewed, and chart updates can be received in real time as they are shared. The alert settings are particularly useful on the go because they can be tailored around the indicators, tools, and timeframes that matter to you. When a scanner identifies a possible market opportunity, or when a chart layout is posted, the update can come directly to your phone. That does not mean everyone has to work in exactly the same way. Some people are happy to do everything from their phones. Personally, I prefer a larger screen when I want to study the charts properly, but I value the app for the alerts when I'm on the go, the live sessions, resources, and day-to-day updates. The benefit is flexibility. Whether you are at your desk, out and about, or simply catching up later, the information is easier to reach you and the learning stays connected to everyday life.